Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow profile backlink, and also you can create another backlink in this website like a video backlink. So you can create a video backlink for your YouTube video or the non-published, either your only video for backlink. Okay, so you can see this is a website, a dashboard, and this is a URL. And also I can provide this URL in the description section, so where you can access easily. So before we started, we can do some research. So according to HREF, the domain rating is 68, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 48. Spam score is only 1%. And if we can check on this website traffic, so according to SimilarWeb, this website having around 32.9k monthly visits, and mostly traffic from USA, India, Vietnam, Pakistan, Netherlands, and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you wanted to increase crawlability, brand building, and the traffic from these kind of countries, so definitely you can create your backlink on this website. Okay, so now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the join button, and there you can put your username and your email address, and then you guys will choose your password. Then after, click on the join button, and after the site will ask you to will you be using Huzzas to showcase video on a website. So if you wanting to showcase your video, then you can click on the yes, and then you can put your website URL. Then after, click on the next button, and you can select some interest. Then after, click on the next, and you see there is a two options. So if you wanting to also promote a video, then you can start creating video collection. Either you can proceed with explore existing video collection. So I also create a video backlink for, so you can see there you can click on the plus icon, then you can type your video collection file name. So suppose if I can create a backlink, and then you can put some tags. There is also option to you can upload image, and if you wanting you can describe something about a backlink. So there DML training will publish plus some backlinks, create some videos, and so according to your collection, you can put the name, tags, and the description. Then after, click on the create button. Okay, sorry, our engine seems to be lost in space at the moment. We told find his way back soon. So I guess they have some technical issues in this website. So you see, our collection is created. Now we can explore later. So first thing, you guys will click on the profile icon, there icon button. Then you can click on the my profile, click on next and next, and end. And you see there is a pencil edit button. You can click on this. There you can put your display name.
This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co.
And the description about your company, the profile, and you can upload a profile picture, and then after you can click on the save button, and you see our profile picture is updated, and this is a brand name, and you can click on the edit button. There you can put your Twitter URL, click on the save button, and you see this is your landing page URL. So you can see our profile is now created, and if I can show you, this is a no follow backlink. So you will see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So today we created a very high quality do follow profile backlink in this website. And if I can show you how you can create a video backlink. So you can see there is a plus icon. To either you can click on this and click on the add a video. So you can directly add your video in this website, but the right now in this website are running some technical issues. So you can do the same things some later. So let me create a backlink for the YouTube, and let's see if I can create a backlink for this. Let's see, click bank. Let's see, you can click on the add button, then you can select your collection, click on the add video, and you see your collection is added. If you can click on the collection, and if you can click here, you see your video is added. So technical issues are now resolved. Okay, so overall these are the process to how you can create your profile backlink and your video backlink in this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or you or your friends, so then you guys will share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys are wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details in the description section. From there you guys can connect, you guys will connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create a rapidly and the consistent videos for you guys. So I hope you guys will help me something for this. Okay, yeah, so bye bye and take care.